Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome to the class of social science. So, in our last class, we learned about our chapter number 1, occupation. We studied what is occupation and what are the types of occupation, right? In your last class, I explained you what are the different types of occupation: primary, secondary and tertiary. In today's class, we are going to learn about these types in detail, okay, with the examples and how do these different types of occupation work. So let's start.
Primary occupations. In primary occupation, people are directly involved in the extraction of raw materials from the environment. Primary occupation mainly involves farming, rearing animals, working in forests, and mining. Farming. Most of the population of India lives in villages. Farming and agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. The farmers grow crops which include grains, pulses, spices, fruits, and vegetables. Rearing animals. Different animals are reared from different purposes. Dairy farming. Dairy farming is one of the most important occupation because milk is required in large quantities. Cows and buffaloes give milk. So, dairy farming involves mainly rearing of cows and buffaloes. Cattle farming. Cattle farming involves rearing of cattle like cows and bullocks. Bullocks are used for plowing fields and drawing carts. These are also known as draught animals. Fish farming. Fish farming or pisciculture involves rearing of fish. Fish is a staple food of many people. We get medicinal oil from fish. Processing and packaging fish in this is one of the major occupations related to fishing. Most commonly, the species of fish that are used for fish farming are salmon, catfish, carp, etc. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is one of the most successful occupations in our country. It involves rearing hens, ducks, and geese. It is mainly done for meat and eggs. Bee farming. Bee farming is a practice of keeping and maintaining bees and their hives. A beekeeper looks after the bees. Bee farming is mainly done for honey, beeswax, and various other products. Working in forest. A large part of our country is covered with forest. Many people work in these forests. Some cut trees which are used to make furniture. Wood is also used as fuel. Some people carry wood from forest to other places. Mining. The earth gives many things like minerals. These minerals lie deep under the ground. Metals such as gold, silver, iron, etc. are taken out by digging underground. Digging out of the ground is called mining. The people who are engaged in this profession are known as miners. Examples: identify primary occupations and write your responses on the placard. Box 1: Woodcutter. Box 2: Carpenter. Box 3: A doctor. Box 4: A miners. Check for your responses. Box 1: Woodcutter. Box 2: Carpenter. And box 4: Miners are primary occupations. Check for understanding. Show this symbol if the keyword is related to primary occupation. First one, bees. Second one, wood. Third one, factory. Fourth one, coal. Fifth one, hospital. Sixth one, fish. Seventh one, mills. Eighth one, eggs. Check your answers here. The symbol should be shown for bees, wood, coal, fishing, and eggs. Assessment: identify the type of farming with the help of the pictures and write your responses on the placard. Check your responses here. First image is poultry farming. Second image is fish farming. Third image is dairy farming. Fourth image is cattle farming. Match the column. Column A, dairy farming, bee farming, mining and forest. Column B, honey, furniture, cow milk and underground. Check your responses here. Cow milk is matched to dairy farming. Honey is matched to bee farming. Underground is matched to mining. And furniture is matched to forest.
So, I hope you all understood what primary occupation is and what are the different kinds of occupation that comes under primary occupation. Now, it's homework time. So, for this week's homework, you have to go to page number 12, practice zone 2. Write the date over here. Solve this match the columns and question number 2. You have to write answer for this question on your own. Alright, you can take help of your parents. In the next class, we will study about the secondary occupation and tertiary occupation. Alright, so I'll see you in your next class, inshallah. Till then, complete your homework and read your lesson thoroughly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.